All right, everybody. Welcome to the second section of our 14-day trial inside of SAM. Now, you've built a solid foundation, but today what we're going to be working to do is to make SAM your own. We're going to do this by personalizing a couple of details in our settings sections so that it best reflects our brand as well as understands a little bit more about our business. So to get started, we need to navigate to the top right-hand section, clicking on our initials to reveal a drop-down menu. Once we're here, select the profile section and you'll be taken to this specific settings area. You'll notice on the top, all of the different details that we fill into this profile section will complete the progress bar as we move forward. But to start, we need to fill out our time zone, our broker details, our company details, and then lastly, our team details. It's worth noting, I have several different team members, and when you end up subscribing to SAM, depending on the account size you choose, you will have additional team members available to you. But for now, because you're in a trial, you will only have one team member, your account owner, which would be you. Clicking on your name in the account owner section will create a drop-down that will reveal all of your different details. Some of these will be added because of your sign up, but if they're no longer valid, go ahead and replace them with the most accurate information. Once we've completed all of that, we're going to navigate down to the members niche section. Now, a members niche is just a fancy way of saying, who do you like to help in real estate the most? Giving SAM this context will allow it to focus its understanding to those areas. If you have one member niche, you can fill that in. But if you have additional member niches after that first one, separating them with a semicolon is the best way to ensure that SAM understands that there are different member niches that you work with. Once we have our member niche filled in, we can navigate to the member voice section. This would be where we can explain to SAM our writing style so that SAM can best mimic all of the different writing attributes that we have when it's creating content for us. We can do this a couple of different ways. The first way being on the left-hand side, clicking this Analyze Content, and then pasting in a writing sample that we have available to us. This could be something like an email or a resource, or maybe even a section you have on your website or really great social media posts that you make. Once you have this pasted in, click the OK button, and SAM will read that resource and evaluate the different writing attributes that make it up. From there, it will add automatically all of the different attributes on the right-hand side. If you decide that you prefer to just hand select those yourself, you can absolutely do that. Clicking the different attributes that you feel best represent your writing style will allow the system to select those for you. Once you have all of this selected and ready to go, you can fill out your member service area as well as additional information, and then navigate to the top right-hand side again, just under the initials, and clicking Save. From here, you're going to see a pop-out letting you know that you have successfully saved the section, and we can move forward to our next piece, building our business card. Navigating to the top right-hand section under the initials again, we're going to go just one more down to the setup section. In the setup section, we have lots of different drop-down menus, but for now, we're going to navigate to our business card section. Now, when Mark and I go out into the world and share all about workflow secrets and help teach at different events, one of the things we most often get asked about is if we have a business card. I personally feel that business cards are difficult to keep on hand because they often get left in pockets and washed, get thrown away, or get lost in the shuffle. The other thing is oftentimes you don't finish the number of business cards you have in your inventory before the content inside the business card is no longer accurate. So we built out the business card section inside of SAM to ensure that you always have an up-to-date, ready-to-go business card in a digital age. Filling out the business card section is as easy as filling out all of your different details and then adding any social links that you would like to feature inside of the business card by clicking this Add Social Links button. From here, if you have a social link that you no longer want to use, you can click this Delete this item and it'll delete that. You can also upload a photo of yourself as well as your logo And you can even adjust the color of the card as well as the color of the text shown on the card to make sure that it represents and matches your brand and your brand coloring. After that, you can download the QR code if you would like to feature it in any of your different marketing materials. You can also view the business card as you're working to make sure that it looks exactly the way you want it to. But once it's ready to go, click this Save Settings to finish up your business card. From here, you've successfully completed the personalization of your SAM account, as well as built out your business card, so you always have one on hand and ready to go. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at how AI is used to enhance your client experience. So stay tuned for that. Keep diving into SAM today and make sure that your profile, as well as your business card, is ready to go. I'll see you then.